Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1153 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box so that the stops re-engage. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.